Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can enable your cookies on Amazon Prime Video. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm on Google, and literally all I typed in is how to enable cookies on Amazon Prime Video, and this is the first option that comes up when I Google this. You just want to click on this, and as you can see, you have your cookies options over here. These are your cookie preferences. You might be able to find them through your settings on your mobile device, on your app, or on the browser version of the streaming service itself, but this is pretty much what you need to see. Then you can either turn on your advertising cookies on or off depending on what you want, and then you can click save selected, or you can just click accept all, and that should be it. I'll just turn the advertising cookies off in my case, and I'll just click save selected, and as you can see, it takes me right into Amazon Prime Video with my cookies enabled, and that is pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.